Sahana here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a 24 hours challenge in this tent. So I brought 7 items with me for the activities that I have planned today and also some items that I also want. First thing is Lego. These all count as one item because they're all the same thing. Here we have this light that I bought, so when it gets dark I can just switch it on. Here is my art and crafts supplies, and here is this sewing kit. There's a phone for a timer for the 24 hours and also some of the challenges. I have a laptop here for my schoolwork and also for the spinning wheel, which has all the options for the activities that I have planned today. And of course, last item is my fan. Now I'm going to be telling the rules. Rule 1. I have to stay in the tent for 24 hours, but only exception is to go to the washroom. Rule 2. Do all the challenges that I have given to myself. The challenge starts now at 11 o'clock, which is right about now. Here we have an online spinning wheel, which I put all of the challenges that I'm going to do, and I'm going to spin it now in one click. Oh, we're doing any number of crafts. Now I'm going to remove that because we don't want to get that same thing again. The first challenge was make any number of crafts. So I have my art box here. I'm going to keep it over here. And as you can see, I made an extension so I can actually do these activities with enough space. So here I am doing my craft. Now I'm going to cut them out. Starting with the pink one first. Finally got all of the papers cut. I think I'm going to make more of these. Now I finally got another pair done. I'm going to now attach the thread or do some designs. I think I'm going to cut a few strips. Now as you can see here, I have cut all the strips that I need and also made them equal. Now I'm just gonna cut them like this. I've already now finished doing all the strips of this thing. It's really fun to actually play with. And I've also thought about how the strips will actually look in there. I'm planning on making a cross shape here, so it'll actually look type of cool. If you don't know what I'm actually going for, I'm trying to make like a wall hanging thing. Now I'm going to start on sticking this for the pink one. This is the end result. It's a craft that I made under 2 hours. I reinforced the back with tape so the strings and the circle will not fall down to the bottom. My mom gave me oranges to eat, and I have to eat for today what they say I have to eat. Now let's see what our second challenge is after I spin the wheel. Oh, I got to tie your hair. I don't know how to tie my hair, so this is going to be really interesting. Now I'm eating my lunch and here I'm nibbling my chocolate. Now I'm going to be sleeping for an hour before we start our next challenge. I've slept for 1 hour and I'm ready to do the next challenge. But before that, I'm going to just tidy up the tent. I'm going to spin the wheel and let's see what I get. Make Lego, but parents decide what it is. All the 3 boxes of Lego I have. So my mother has given me 3 things I can do. I can do as much as of the choices she given me as I want, or I can either just do one of them. The first one is person, the next one is car, the other one is a flower pot. This is the final product. I made a girl with all these really crazy hair colors. She's wearing a red dress with red shoes. Now I'm going to do the pot. This is the final product of this plant. I tried to go for a flowery pink flower, but then it didn't turn out as I expected. But it still looks good with the leaves. Now guys, I'm having snacks now with tea. Okay guys, I finished drinking my tea, and now I'm going to spin the wheel for my next challenge. Okay, now I'm spinning the wheel. Draw blindfolded, but my parents get to decide it. My dad shows what I have to draw, and I'm drawing two things: a house and a guitar. So I'm going to blindfold myself before I start drawing on this piece of paper. Okay guys, I'm finished with the two drawings that my father gave me, and it turned out to be decent for being blindfolded, but I think I could have done better if I were just to see and draw. Okay guys, now I'm going to spin the wheel to see what my next challenge is. I had to remove sewing because I can't do that today, so let's just see what our other challenge is going to be. I got guess what I'm drawing. I'm going to be blindfolded and my parents will have to guess. Okay, now I'm going to start off with the first drawing that I have in mind. Whoever guesses first will get 1 point.
Rose.
Okay, my father gets a point. Guys, my dad got 1 point and I have 2 more drawings to go. I'm going to start off with my next drawing after flipping this page.
Peacock.
Oh, how did he get it? I'm not even done with the tail. My mom got a point and I haven't even finished drawing the peacock. That was the answer and that was my drawing. Now I'm going to start off with the next drawing.
Tortoise.
No. I think I got it.
Doll.
I don't think this is going to be a doll.
Is it strawberry? Fruit? Some fruit? Mango?
Just take a good look at the drawing.
It's like a pony. Head of a pony.
Nope, not a pony. But you're close. Something else other than a pony.
Pass.
Wait.
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
So I didn't draw the horn. Okay guys, there are only 2 more options to do. Draw something in 1 hour and do makeup. So let's see which one I get. Ooh, do makeup. Okay. Yellow light in this room does not make the room look too good. But now I'm going to be doing my makeup. I have compact powder here, lipstick, blush, a mirror and eyeshadow. Okay guys, now I'm going to be starting the makeup. First, I'm going to be putting the compact powder. Now I'm going to be putting on the blush. Now I'm going to be putting the lipstick. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the eyeshadow, which is right here. Okay, I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. I think I'll just have to clean a little bit of it up so it'll look a little bit nice. Guys, this makeup kind of turned out to be a success. My mom liked it and the eyeshadow, it looks a little bit dark, but I also like it. So guys, now I'm going to go take a bath and then eat, and then before I go to sleep, I'm going to do the 1 hour drawing challenge. So guys, I finished taking a bath and now I'm going to do the 1 hour of drawing challenge. And we'll see the result of what I drew at the end. Okay guys, I'm going to set a timer for 1 hour. So it starts now. I'm going to put it aside and start drawing. I'll keep on giving you guys an update on how the drawing looks. Hey guys, so I finished drawing, but I have a lot more time. So I'm just going to color it a little bit. And this is the scenery with a river, if you haven't noticed, because I drew the river a little bit light. Hey guys, now I'm eating dinner and I have noodles. Guys, I am done with the drawing and also the coloring. Since I didn't have enough time, I have 12 seconds left to spare. I didn't have enough time, so it might look a little bit streaky on some places, but I tried to do a river over here and then trees over here with one big tree here, and in the mountains in the background. With here you can see some trees, pine trees. So guys, I finished eating and also the 1 hour drawing challenge, and I finished all the challenges that I given to myself, and that does not mean the 24 hours challenge is over. I still have to stay here till 11 o'clock a.m. tomorrow, which means I'm going to be attending my school till 11 o'clock. Now I'm going to be sleeping and then going to wake up tomorrow morning. Good morning guys. I woke up, I brushed my teeth, and I'm going to eat breakfast now and then start my online classes. Okay guys, now I'm going to start my online classes. I'm wearing a pink wig for Crazy Hairdo Day in my school. So guys, the 24 hours challenge is over, as you heard from the beep from my watch. See, it's 11 o'clock and I've successfully passed the challenge of staying in this tent for 24 hours. And I've also done all the activities as you could see in the past clips, and that's it. I've done and I've succeeded. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe too. And that's it for now, and bye.